Hello and welcome back to the Blackstone Solicitors channel. Today we're tackling a topic that can be both exciting and, a bit nerve-wracking for businesses: reviewing a commercial lease. Whether you're taking on your first office, a retail space, or expanding into new premises, understanding what you're signing up for is absolutely critical. At first glance, a commercial lease might look like a mountain of legal jargon and small print, but don't let that put you off. Every clause matters because a lease is not just a contract, it's a binding agreement that can impact your business for years to come. Getting it right from the start can save you stress, time, and money down the line. So the first thing to consider is the rent and the other financial obligations. This isn't just the headline rent figure. You need to look closely at service charges, insurance contributions, and any potential rent reviews. Many leases include clauses that allow the landlord to increase the rent periodically, and failing to understand the mechanism behind this can lead to unexpected costs. Knowing your financial commitments is essential to avoid surprises that could affect your cash flow. Next, it's very important to examine the length of the lease and any break clauses. Commercial leases are often long-term commitments, sometimes lasting 10 years or more. Break clauses give you the flexibility to end the lease early under certain conditions, but they're often tied to strict notice periods and compliance requirements. Ignoring these details could leave you locked into a lease longer than you intend. Another key area is the permitted use clause. Landlords usually specify what type of business can operate in the premises. If your business changes direction or grows into a new service, you want to ensure the lease allows for flexibility. Breaching this clause, even unintentionally, could result in serious consequences, including eviction. Repairs and maintenance obligations are equally important. Leases often place responsibility on tenants for maintaining the property, sometimes even the structure itself. Understanding exactly what you are responsible for and what falls to the landlord can prevent disputes and unexpected costs. Finally, don't overlook termination and dispute resolution clauses. Knowing how to resolve disagreements and under what circumstances the lease can be ended is vital. These clauses can dictate your options if things go wrong, and they are best reviewed before you sign anything. At Blackstone Solicitors, we work with clients to carefully review commercial leases, flag potential issues, and advise on negotiating terms that protect your business. Our goal is to make sure you understand your rights and obligations, so that your lease supports your business ambitions rather than hinders them. In short, reviewing a commercial lease is not something to rush. A thorough review helps you avoid costly mistakes and gives you confidence in your business premises. If you're about to enter a commercial lease or have questions about an existing one, we're here to provide clear, practical advice every step of the way. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more legal insights from Blackstone Solicitors.